Hey everybody, Bones here, Bones Garage, bringing the update what's going on at the garage. So, 2019 GMC Sierra Denali, 6.2 liter motor. We now have the back completely finished up and just about ready to put the wheel well or the wheel well lining back in. As you can see, we now have the airbag all set up. We have it mounted. We had to do a whole bunch of work to get this to stay as straight as possible to the top. So if you look, you'll see the airbag's nice, up and down, perfectly straight. Really came out very nice. We're going to run the air line through the wheel lining, the wheel well lining. We C-notched the frame with some schedule pipe, so this way everything is nice and tight. Then we put travel limiters, axle limiters. So this way the axle won't go so far down that will tear the airbag out from its perch on the top or on the bottom. It also keeps the shock from overextending and destroying the shock, especially that these are the magnetic shocks and they are stupid expensive. And then if you come on this side, you'll see we did the same thing on this side. There's the airbag. We moved it back far enough and up high enough, got it away from the parking brake motor on the rear brake calipers. We have the airline coming in, which will sit just like this once we get the liners in. Then we also made a new bracket for the height sensor. So this way the computer knows where the truck is, this rear axle, as opposed to the frame of the truck is in comparison to each other. We took this bracket that was on the bottom, modified it, made it work. We made some more brackets to go from here to here, the link. We made all that, and this sits exactly, the arm, once you let it down, sits exactly where the original arm sat. So this way we are completely fooling the computer. The computer has no idea that we lowered the truck. The truck to the computer is in exactly the same height as it was originally. We also had to cut out the mounts down here for the bump stops, and we'll clean that all up and get that all nice. But yeah, this thing came out really nice. We also had to put these airbag mounts upside down. This part of the airbag mount originally on the 18 would have gone on this side. But being that this is a 19 and this kit that the customer brought us is for an 18, 2018, and this truck's a 2019, we ended up having to turn this airbag bracket upside down to make everything fit and make everything right. And then we stuck shims, front axle caster shims, camber shims, caster shims in here, so that this way the bottom of this plate stays level to the bottom or the top of the leaf spring. So as we put weight on everything, this will stay nice and level, keeping any stresses off of the airbag. So there you go. There's what's happening here. We are just about done. The next step is to get it over to the alignment shop so they can do the alignment, and then this will be going back to the owner. I mean, it really came out nice. The axle flip came out really nice. We made all kinds of modifications to make everything fit right. It's just been a lot of work on this truck. And every time we called the manufacturer of this kit, they said, oh yeah, it's no problem. It's real easy. Just put it in. Yeah, okay. Never that easy when you're doing two totally different body or frame styles. So there you go. There's what we got. And then on the front, everything's all in. Everything's nice. You can see the link for the sensor. That's also, we made that. So this way, everything is the way it's supposed to be. Alrighty, guys. I will talk to you soon. Have a good one. Okay, bye.